Guys, so you just saw me wash my hair with the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair line. I use the shampoo and conditioner from that line, and my hair feels really, really nice. It feels really strong and hydrated, which I really like. It's not like super soft, but it does feel just hydrated and moisturized. So I really like that. I was noticing that my hair felt like a little bit brittle because I have been wearing my hair curly and everything like that. I apologize for that. So yeah, I am going to now be using the protein treatment. This is the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Manuka and Baobab. I think it's like Baobab oils. This is strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. It just looks like this. I am sure you guys have seen this before. Go ahead and get started with this. Like I said, I have tried this before, so this isn't a first impression. This is more so a review of the products. So we're just going to go ahead and split my hair into like 3 sections. But I really do like this line when I find that my hair needs a little bit more strength and added just protein, you know. Yeah, so I can't find my clips anywhere, so we're using hair ties, which is really annoying. So yeah, so we're just gonna put that back. Have my trusty spray bottle. I have gotten a lot of questions of where I got the spray bottle. I got mine at Sally's. I know they sell them on Amazon and everything like that, so check out your local Sally's. Okay, so sorry about that. My mom called me. I am going to be using this. This has Manuka Honey, Yogurt Extra, and Manuka oil. So it says, repair damage caused by overprocessing. Just one use of this intensive treatment helps strengthen by reducing breakage up to 76%. Powered by reparative proteins and butters, this nutrient-rich strengthening cream smooths to naturally reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers. Certified organic shea butter, ultra moisturizing Manuka honey, and yogurt blend in a deep conditioning formula that fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. Leaves hair soft, supple, and irresistibly touchable. It says apply a quarter-size amount from root to ends, paying particular attention to damaged ends. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. May also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. If you guys didn't see, I did upload my pre-poo treatment, what I do personally to do my pre-poo and everything like that. So sorry, my Sims are just getting crazy. So I just wet my hair a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to each side. I'm going to take about this much for each side because this is super thick. As you guys can see, it's really, really like almost like a cream moisturizer. When I first used this, I honestly really didn't like it. It did leave my hair smooth, but I didn't feel like it I know it's a protein treatment, but it didn't like leave my hair significantly different. But I found that if I use my oil pre-poo before this and use the shampoo and conditioner from this line and use this deep conditioning treatment, it really does make a difference in my hair. So, you know, everything about your hair is trial and error. You never know what products will work together. You never know what products won't work together until you try different things. So this really just detangles my hair and makes it so soft and so smooth. So you want to make sure that your hair is pretty damp when you apply this mask, or else it really won't penetrate the way that you want it to. So like I said, I use about a dime size amount and apply it to my hair. I think also the first time that I used this product, I did use too much per section, so it kind of weighed my hair down. And with this product, it's so like moisturizing and rich that you don't want your hair to be weighed down by it, because it's just, you know, it's meant to, you know, help your hair, not weigh it down or anything like that. So I really like this. I have used it without using the shampoo and conditioner from this line. And like I said, it wasn't my favorite, but as long as I use my pre-poo treatment, my oil treatment before this, it leaves my hair like unbelievably soft and moisturized and strong. So I just comb that through like so. I really like this protein treatment. It's one of my favorites because it's hydrating. You know how so many protein treatments just leave your hair like super duper like strong but so dry. I hate that feeling. So I just am going ahead and splitting my hair again. I'm not too perfect with it because, like I said, if you want like perfect parts and stuff, this is not the channel for you. So I just go ahead and put that up into a little bun. And then I go ahead and split this section in half and take all the hair that I want. And then I wet it. I want to try the split end balm from this line as well, but my Ulta is like always sold out of it, so I don't know, it must be good. You guys are buying it up. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take another dime size amount and apply it to my hair. I just kind of like to finger detangle also while I'm putting it in. This was a pretty big section, so I'm going to add a little bit more just to really get it going. And with this deep conditioner protein treatment, you'll know when your hair has had enough of it. Personally, I just can feel when my hair is, you know, saturated but not like overdoing it. So I just place that in and then start at the tips and work my way up to detangle like so. And as you can see, it's super easy to detangle, not a lot of shedding. It's so good. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when all of the product is applied. Alright guys, we are back. Conditioner is in. And yeah, so I'm just going to put a little bit more around the edges because those are important, you know. And then the rest, take a little bit, take that much more, put it on the ends because the ends of my hair have been super dry. So I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. I know it said 10 to 15 on the thing, but that seems a little bit not enough for me. So I'm just going to wear my hair in a bun, pop on a cap, and I'll be back to show you guys once it is rinsed out and my final thoughts. Alright guys, so we are back and this is how my hair is looking. It is super soft, super strong, it's moisturized, it's hydrated, it feels amazing. I absolutely love this line from Shea Moisture. It's one of my favorites. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this line and your thoughts. If you have relaxed hair, if you have natural hair, I would love to know. As you guys can see, my hair is honestly really shiny. It looks healthy. It feels strong, but not like brittle or anything like that. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell because it notifies you every time that I upload and you don't want to miss a video if you're here joining the fam. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.